In this video, I want to show you how to solve the problem of important tools not showing in ArcGIS. If you are facing this problem, I want to show you how to solve it. Let me open ArcGIS. In ArcGIS, I've loaded in my data and I realized that some tools are not showing. For example, zoom in, zoom out tool is not showing. Selection tool is not showing. So if you are experiencing something like this or any tool at all that you realize is missing from the interface of ArcGIS, the easiest way to solve it is this. Come to this blank space at this menu bar, this blank space where my console is. Just right click. When you right click, all tools you need, they are here. So the one you check is the one that will be showing. So in this case, the important tools that are not showing, just click here to scroll down to the other tools. So you can see here, this is called tools. It's not showing. So if I click on it and check it, it will begin to show. So let me click on it. You can see now that as I click on it and check it, all the important tools are now showing now. If there is any tool at all that is missing from the interface of ArcGIS, the easiest way to do it is to right click here and go straight to that tool and check it. Once you check it, it begins to show on the interface. So this is how to solve the problem of tools not showing on the interface of ArcGIS. Thank you for watching.